Hi again, it's me, Asong Filipina, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog is I'm gonna share to you the price of Canon M50 Mark II here in the Philippines. So let's get started. For today's vlog is I'm gonna tell you how much I bought this camera. So the price of this camera here in the Philippines. The price of the camera Canon M50 II, it's Mark II, it's about, I have here 48,298. So when you search online, it's cheaper than the actual price in the mall because I was in the mall yesterday and I expected about 41,000, and then yeah, I was surprised it's quite expensive still. And then this is not included the tripod, the memory card, and then the bag. This bag, it's 1,000 pesos, and the good thing for this bag is you can insert the camera and the tripod here inside, so it's bigger. And then also for the mic, it's the price of the mic, it's 1,490. And I'm gonna sit up like that because it's too expensive to damage. I did not use that yet. And then the memory card, I have a receipt here, is 1,550. So 1,550. So I spent about almost 60,000 yesterday in the SM. I bought this one in Bacolod City here in the Philippines. I have also the tripod of this Canon camera, and that's about 5,996. So the reason I bought this tripod, because this tripod is really designed for this camera, but sometimes when they have promo, it's included, so it's kind of free. But when yesterday I went to SM and this is not included for the camera itself. So for just the camera, it was 48,000, so I pay about 60,000 in total. But this is worth it because I make also research before I bought this camera, and then I saved bit by bit with this, and with the help of my friend, one of my subscribers. So then I managed to buy this camera. Thank you also to one of my subscribers who helped me out for this. And then yeah, this is all I have. And I was comparing this online, how much the price. I was comparing this online for if I have to choose the cell phone or else the camera, but this suggested like it is better to invest with the camera, especially when you are vlogging. So yeah, finally I have it, so I'm happy to use it later on. I'm happy to use it for next vlog. And then here, the bag, so everything is here, and then that's in SM Bacolod City here in the Philippines, the price of this. And this camera is in the Colors, that's the name of the store, Colors, but this is not a sponsored video. But then that would be all, and also I'm gonna show you the area there where I bought this camera. So this bag worth 1,000 pesos because it's bigger, and you have this 750 pesos smaller than this, but I choose this one 1,000 pesos because I can fit this one. So buying this camera, I really love it, and I know it is very expensive, but it is a very good investment for a vlogger. So I was searching online what is the best camera, if cell phone or this one, because cell phone is so handy and easy to use. But I got some tips and advice while I was watching that it's better if you have cash, or if you can afford to buy, it's better to invest your money with the camera, especially when you are a vlogger. So the guy there in the store, he advised me not to remove the lens. The reason for that, for the dirt, that the dirt cannot come inside. Only if you want to change the lens. What I mean is, don't remove the lens and keep it in the box without the cover because of the some dust that come through inside. So they said just keep the lens what you have now. You can only remove it if you change another lens. So I keep it like this one. And the good thing for this bag is it can fit with my tripod and the camera. So I'm gonna show you inside. So this is how it looks like inside. So easy to use, and I checked already some of it, but I'm gonna use this camera for my next vlog. Do not remove this one if you are not changing your lens. Just keep it like this. The guy in the store advised me don't use any covers in your camera because it can cause the scratch of the profile of your camera. So keep it like this, and in a way your hands, you can just do your hands without putting any cover in your camera. So that's the advice, because I really plan to put a cover with this. And yeah, that's what he said. Don't put any cover in your camera because it can damage the profile of the textures of your camera. Textures, profile, or how do you call it? So this is it. I'm so happy with this. And also, thank you for one of my subscribers who's helping me out to achieve this dream camera. I know it's very expensive, but thank you. And also to my husband that are very supportive to my vlog. So this is how it looks like now, this one. But then the tripod is very beautiful. It's almost 6,000, but yeah, it's worth it because this is designed, the tripod is really designed for this vlogging camera. So this is how it looks like. But then at least you have an idea. This is 40,000, and this is not included what's happening in the camera around, like the tripod and the microphone, the memory card. So that is not included in the price of 48,000. I'll see you next vlog. Bye!
Ito mo magbutang microphone nga sideway. Dire mo ma-mount. Di ba pwede dire?
Anak ko ingat
Pwede
mamay. So that would be all, and see you next vlog. Bye!